Welcome guys. So this video will be a continuation from the last video. So I'm using the same page that we used in the last video, and as an example, so you see if I reload, we have all the boxes which are just HTML div elements. So the goal of this video is to show you how to, for instance, you have like a web application you are building, and maybe you want to see all the event listeners that are attached to a particular element, or maybe you are modifying an existing project, or you just joined a new team and maybe you're not sure where things are, and maybe there's some weird behavior and you want to know what are the event listeners on a particular element, or you want to see the ancestors as well and the way they react to a particular event. This is Chrome, and Chrome gives us a very good tool to be able to see that. So let's say, for example, I want to see all the events that are attached to this box element. So I come down here and you can see there's computed layout event listeners, and this is what we are looking for. So when you click on event listeners, you would immediately see all the listeners that are attached to this particular, all the events, that are attached to this particular element that you clicked on. Right now, because of this application, this is just a simple page. What we have here is just the click events, which I added in the code. I added it manually on that script section, so you can see click events. So you can see the tree. So starting from the box, you can see the container, you can see the body, and you can see the document. And if you expand it, you will see the ones that use capture and the ones that don't. So yeah, because I registered this event twice, one using capture and one not using capture. In case you're not sure what I mean by capture and bubbling, you can look at the previous video before this video where I explained what capture and bubbling is. So yeah, you can see the whole event, and if, for example, you want to maybe debug or try something, you can even go ahead and click remove, just to simplify maybe a particular issue that you're trying to resolve. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video.